everyone. Welcome to Ndeipi Mudiaspora. Today we're out at an event. The event is the Zimbabwe Global Network for Great Cause, right, Mutsa?
Yes, we're so excited to be here today. And today's featuring some really major, amazing people, like the one and only
Madam Boss.
Yes.
All the way from Zimbabwe.
It's so nice to be at an event where Zimbabweans are coming together for a good cause. So Ndeipi Mudiaspora is super excited to be here. And this is how we spend our Saturday nights.
Okay, in Frisco, Texas. Doing interviews. We're not in our office today, in our little bubble. We're actually out at an event. And we're excited because this is one of the first events that we've done in the community.
Yes.
So we're really excited about it.
Yes. So stay tuned because we've got some exciting interviews and the event is going to be amazing. So stay tuned to see more.
Okay, the moment that we've been all waiting for, Madam Boss is here.
Yeah.
Her name is Tyra Chikocho Munetsiwa. She's here in Dallas. We're so excited. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Oh, we are okay. How has it been so far? Your visit?
Honestly, Shakawanda, I'm so excited and I'm happy I'm here. It's so amazing. I thank God that I'm here. Yeah.
We're so happy that you're here.
Yes, and this is we're here in the diaspora, and we always feel it's nice for us to connect with back, with home. And watching your videos, yes. And I wonder, how does it feel for you, kumbamune, a large audience, then moya kuno ku diaspora, and you're greeted with a large audience as well. How does that feel for you?
It feels good. It's I always say I thank God for all my followers in Zimbabwe and in diaspora. It's so amazing kuti paunoya kuno diaspora ona uchitambirwa nevanhu, yeah. So yeah.
That's wonderful.
So I understand that you're about to launch a product line. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
I'm launching lipstick, perfume, Extreme Red by Madam Boss, that's the lipstick, and Purple and Nude. Like right now I'm wearing Extreme Red by Madam Boss, but it's a taster.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you. Also launching perfume, yeah.
So when is the launch?
We are still setting the date, but maybe in December.
So speaking of December, we're going to be in Zimbabwe. So we want to be at that launch. We are coming.
Don't lie to
No,
me.
we're coming.
and you can talk to another married guy. Well, Madam Boss, you've kind of transitioned to become a businesswoman. Kuti makatanga muri chimwe chinhu, now makuita business, right? So what advice do you have for vamwe vakadzi vanoda kuitawo zvamurikuita? Maybe who are in certain careers but vanoda kuiswitchawo kuitawo businesswoman. What advice do you have for them?
Advice andingakupe ndeyekuti don't give up. Kana wafunga kuita anything, don't stop. Hapana chinokumisa, I mean, musa discourage kwenye vanhu. Chinenge changoya pamoyo pako, please do it. But wakaona uchita chinhu chibuda ziya, it's not yours. Wakaona chinhu uchita chinhu chingo flower, it's yours, so go for it and do it.
That's beautiful advice.
So as we are going into 2019, chii chimwe chatingatarisire chamunenge muchiita muna 2019?
2019, going back to my beauty products, I'll be selling many stuff like hair. I'm also doing my borero, know my borero.
No.
Like my small juicy.
Okay.
Doing foundation and powder as well. So yeah, tarisai zvakawanda kuna Madam Boss.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So much.
Honestly, and we want to tell you, Muno Diaspora, we look up to you. You're very inspirational. Mune story, we're proud when we hear you talk about your story, where you've been, where you're going, where you currently are. So just know that we are proud of you here in the diaspora.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for taking our interview in Ndeipi Mudiaspora.
Yes. Thank you, Ndeipi Mudiaspora. I follow you guys. I follow you. Yes, I do.
Actually, we were nominated in the same category, and then you won,
and we were so excited
for the Ziwa Awards.
Yeah.
We were very excited for you. Congratulations on the win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.